How to fix chat message limit reached TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another tutorial, and in this video we will see how we can fix if the chat message limit has been reached in TikTok in your account. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your TikTok application and make sure that you're logged in with your TikTok account. Once you're on your home page, now navigate to your profile page by tapping on the profile from the bottom right corner. Once on your profile, tap on three-line icon from the top right corner, and from this pop-up box, tap on settings and privacy. Here, scroll down and then tap on free up space, which you will find under cache and cellular. Now under this page, if you have any cache or downloads in your TikTok account, you can simply tap on clear. This will clear your cache to free up space, which won't affect your TikTok experience, but will remove all the glitches or bugs from your application in order to remove the limit raised in your chat message. So tap on clear, then again tap on clear. Once you have your cache and download cleared, you can go back and check whether your problem is solved or not. If still not, now come under the same settings and privacy page, then log out your account. Once you log out your account, and then relog it back to check whether the problem will be solved or not. By doing so, your problem might get solved, but if still not, then you can wait for another 12 to 48 hours to fix the chat message limit reached on TikTok. And that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.